Ano ba yung hearsay sa Tagalog? Sabi-sabi or chismis? Is that a fair translation? What is a fair translation to you of hearsay?
Your Honor, the question of the defense is misleading. He never testified that that is hearsay.
No, I'm not
As a
asking
matter
him.
of fact, he's trying to raise the exception to hearsay.
I'm not asking about the exceptions of hearsay. I'm asking
Yeah,
a
nga.
translation of hearsay. Or anyway, I'll
Okay,
move on.
sige, Luis Troy, tanggol mo yung
If
sarili
he
mo.
does not know, he may say so.
Hindi ko po alam kung anong translation dito sa Tagalog.
For the benefit of this honorable court and the Filipino people watching, and I'll phrase my question in Tagalog. So sa kabila po ng pagtestigo po ninyo ngayong araw, inaamin nyo ba na wala kayong personal na kaalaman sa nangyaring investigation starting November 23, 2024?
Malinaw naman po yun at ang korte po can take judicial notice of the fact na hindi pa po ako NBA director ng panahon na yun.
So you're
Ayaw yung
confirming that you
direct
do
time
not have
sabihin na
personal
gano'n. Kasi
knowledge
totoo
because you
naman
were
talaga.
only
Wala kang alam
appointed as
doon.
NBA
Hindi ka
director
NBA
a year
director eh.
later or on
Diba?
February 20.
Ito lang eh. Di ba? Kung titistigo ka sa isang bagay, krimen man yan o pagnanakaw, kahit ano man yan, di ba dapat alam na alam mo? Di ba alam mo yung kwento, yung iba nga, kinukuha ang testigo dahil nakita mo ba si ganito? Nakita mo yung ganyan? Di ba? O, nasaksihan mo mismo, yun ang kinukuha nilang mga testigo. Si Matibag, walang kaalam-alam, dahil hindi pa naman siya NBI director noon, doon siya nag-ano sa mga kwento ng mga kasamahan niya, doon sa mga nag-gather nila, ng mga kwento-kwento. So yun ang mga insan, magandang araw sa ating lahat. Reaction Insan po, muling nagbabalik. At syempre, huwag nyo sanang kalimutan na mag-subscribe dito sa ating channel. Libre lang mga insan, huwag po kayong matakot. At bisitahin din ang ating Facebook page at TikTok. Ngayong araw mga insan, pag-usapan natin itong si Matibag na natibag. Mahilig din pala to sa chismis si Matibag. Wala naman pala tong personal knowledge. Naging ano pa siya, naging witness pa siya dyan sa impeachment ni VP Sara Duterte sa Senado. Wala, stick. Akala ko pa naman, nakakatakot na dahil sinasabi nila, naku, yari na kayo, sumatibag na yung testigo. Sigurado na kayo dyan, shoot na yan si Inday Lustay ninyo. Kasi yan yung pamatay linya ng mga ululistang tanso, mga bayarang vlogger. Inday Lustay nga daw. Biruin nyo, kung hindi ba naman kayo mga palongges, yung hinahabol nila kay BP Sara Duterte, nilustay di umano nila ni Inday, 125 million. Yan po yung lagi nilang ginigit yung 125 million na yan na planado pala ang pagkakabigay niyan para gastusin niya ng ganung kabilis lang. Kumbaga ano na siya planted na. O gawin natin ng ganito, sabay yung mga kasangga natin diyang mga makakaliwa at mga kurakot din, mag-ano na, magsampa ng impeachment laban sa kanila, sila na bahala, magsabong-sabong sila, hugas kamay na ako dito, di ba, Bangbong? Ganun ba yun? Parang ganun na tayong plano mga insan So, yun na nga, nangyari na, 125 million, nahabol nila, confidential fund, kay Marcos nga kay Bongbong Marcos, grabe, billion pala yung confidential fund pero, hindi alam kung saan napunta yung yung flood control. Di ba dapat gamitin nila yun sa intelligence gathering? Ano nangyari? Ba't parang wala silang alam? Ang lupit mga insan, ang tindi. 125 million yung kay VP Sara Duterte na confidential fund. Malaki kay Bongbong, walang pinagamitan. Di alam ng mga tao. Pero di nila sinisilip. Kasi ito pinaka malupit mga insan. Magkano ginagastos nila araw-araw sa hearing. 'Di ba? Sabi nga 25 million daw 'yan sabi bumaba na lang tayo kahit 10 million na lang. 92 days yung 92 days. Magkano yung gagastos? 'Di ba? Laki. Mas malaki yung kahit i-add nyo mga insan. Ako, ayoko na sa inyo. I-add nyo, kayo na bahala. Ay, mag-i-times nyo. 92 days sa 10 million. Di ba? Sa 10 na lang, magkano? 100 million na kaagad yun 90, di ba? Magkano? Halos magbibilyon mga insan. Tapos yung hinahabol lang nila, 125 million. Di ba? Kung matino kang tao, di ba? Kung matino tong mga to, ay mga insan. Tapos ngayon, magsasabi sila ng buksan daw mga bank records ni BP Sara Duterte, baka para may mahanap pa sila. O di fishing expedition nga, wala pa silang alam. Bubuksan pa nila yun eh. Wala silang basihan. O, simula nung pagka-mayor niya, yung bubuksan mga insan, hindi pa siya impeachable official nun. Diba? Malinaw na malinaw yung plano nila mga insan. Kahit wala silang mapatunayan, masira lang nila ang pangalan ni BP Sara Duterte at maiwasan lang na kumandidato na maging pangulo sa 2028. As if naman mga insan, kung ma-impeach nila si BP Sara Duterte, wala nang Duterte na papalit. At sabihin na natin mga insan, wala nang Duterteng tatakbo. Tingin ba nila yung mga sumusuporta sa Duterte? Susuporta yan sa kanila. Doon yan susuporta sa kalaban. Di ba? Maliban na lang kung ang magiging kalaban, dilawan. Baka yung 30 plus million na bumoboto noon, o higit pa, baka mabawasan na lang yan, maging 11 million na lang yung bumoto. Mawalan ng gana, pero hindi po mangyayari mga insan. Meron at meron dyan tatayo na maglilinis sa ating bansa. Diba? Hindi man ng mga Duterte, may iba pa rin yan mga insan. So ito, gawa na natin ng reaction mga insan. Itong kahiligan ni Matibag sa chismis. Chismis lang palang alam niya, pero tumistigo. Diba? Next video, pag-usapan natin na itong si Matibag, tawag na itong nakipagpulong pa sa House Prosecutor. So, ito mga insan.
You're a lawyer, correct?
Tama po, 29 years.
29 years.
Oh,
Can you
yabang.
recall
29 years.
130 Section 22 of the Rules of Evidence?
Can you refresh me, sir?
Okay, I will
Because you have a
gladly
copy.
refresh you, of
Kaya
course.
repress na butas
I have your copy of Rule 130.
Ibag.
Section 22 of the Rules of Evidence, and I'll read it. Please read with me, Director Matibag. Testimony confined to personal knowledge. A witness can testify only to those facts which he or she knows of his or her personal
Dapat
knowledge.
pala, personal
That is,
mong
which
alam
are
yung mga
derived from
bagay
his or her own
para
perception.
maging
Can you
testigo.
recall that rule now?
Ayan po, nababasa ko po.
Okay, you
Tama
can
po.
Diba?
read it.
Napaka-philosopher
Again, based on this
naman.
rule,
Sabihin
a
ko,
witness can
nababasa.
only testify based on his personal knowledge, correct?
Tama po, pero meron pong mga exceptions sa rule.
Alright, okay. If not based on personal knowledge, then that is hearsay, correct?
But is that an absolute rule po dahil may exceptions nga po.
Makes sense.
Okay, now,
Pagdating sa inyo,
I'm trying to
may
look
exception
for the
talaga eh.
Filipino
Sige,
term for hearsay. Ano ba yung hearsay sa Tagalog? Sabi-sabi or chismis? Is that a fair translation? What is a fair translation to you of hearsay?
Your Honor, the question of the defense is misleading. He never testified that that is hearsay.
No, I'm not
As a
asking
matter
him.
of fact, he's trying to raise the exception to hearsay.
I'm not asking about the exceptions of hearsay. I'm asking
Yeah,
a
nga.
translation of hearsay. Or
Wait,
anyway, I'll
Ito,
move on.
sige, Luis
the
Roy,
witness knows,
tanggol mo yung
if
sarili
he
mo.
does not know, he may say so.
Hindi ko po alam kung anong translation dito sa Tagalog.
Okay, so I'll just use my own translation, chismis. Anyway,
Bugo na ka dun.
kung wala kang personal knowledge,
Hindi alam mo
chismis lang
hearsay
yun,
sa
tama?
Tagalog mo ito.
Hindi ko naman po naririnig sa korte. Ako'y nag-practice din, kahit na-translate sa Tagalog. Kahit minsan ko po, hindi ko po narinig ng hearsay ginamit ang salitang chismis.
Alright, were you present when the NBI agents subscribed and sworn to their affidavits?
Hindi
I
na,
was not there.
hindi
You're
na,
not there, still nothing. So, and since you did
ginagamit.
not actually
Kasi wala
participate,
namang krimen na
it means that you do not have
ganyan
personal
din
knowledge
na ano
of
lang
the
na
stages of
chismis
investigation,
eh.
correct?
Yung kasi totoong nangyari.
During
Kasi
that
hindi
time,
naman
yes.
totoo eh.
But as I mentioned
Kaya ngayon
earlier,
nagagamit.
the investigation.
So, talaga matibag
So
eh.
your knowledge of the investigation was based on only of your reading.
That is absolutely correct. And upon the discussion of the investigative officers.
Very well. Now, were you
Wala kang
present
alam.
at the November
Sinabi lang
23,
sa'yo.
2024 press con?
I was not
Kasi hindi ka
present.
pa
Your Honor. I was
NBI
just
director nun eh.
participating on that.
And if you know, was any NBI agent present at the November 23, 2024 press conference?
Not that I know.
None. All right.
Wala
So in
talagang alam.
layman's terms, for the benefit of this honorable court and the Filipino people watching, and I'll phrase my question in Tagalog. So sa kabila po ng pagtestigo po ninyo ngayong araw, inaamin nyo ba na wala kayong personal na kaalaman sa nangyaring investigation starting November 23, 2024?
Malinaw naman po yun at ang korte po ay can take judicial notice of the fact na hindi pa po ako NBA director ng panahon na yun.
So you're
Ayaw
confirming
yung
that
direct
you do
time
not have
sabihin na
personal
gano'n. Kasi
knowledge
totoo
because you
naman
were
talaga.
only
Wala kang alam
appointed as
doon.
NBA
Hindi ka
director
NBA
a year
director eh.
later or on
Diba?
February 20,
Your Honor, ask and
2026,
answer
correct?
Ayan ang si Luis
So
Tro.
I haven't even asked
So,
the question, Your Honor.
inisip ko si Luis
Let
Tro.
counsel
Hindi yan yung
finish.
pinagbitingan natin.
So again, I will repeat. So the reason for this is that because you became NBI director only a year later or on February 20, 2026, correct?
Tama po.
Alright. Okay. So prior to February 20, 2026, you do not have any personal knowledge of any investigation, correct?
Nababasa ko lang po sa balita mga pangyayari.
Which is not personal knowledge, correct?
Well, yun lang po yung knowledge natin.
You're a lawyer, correct?
Tama po, 29 years.
29 years. Can you recall Rule 130, Section 22 of the Rules of Evidence?
Can you refresh me, sir?
Okay, I will
Because you have a
gladly
copy.
refresh you, of course. I have here a copy of Rule 130, Section
Kapalin
22
eh.
of the Rules
Hindi
of
mo pa
Evidence.
alam
And
lahat
read it-
ng rules.
Please read with me, Director Matibag.
Kala ko pa naman
Testimony
mahusay ito si
confined to
Matibag.
personal knowledge. A witness can testify only to those facts which he or she knows of his or her personal knowledge, that is, which are derived from his or her own perception. Can you recall that rule now?
Ayan po, nababasa ko po.
Okay,
Tama po.
Puro
Alright,
boso
so,
is.
based on this rule,
Bossing na
would you
bossing
agree
ang
with
dating
me
mo.
that the
Matibag ah.
witness can only testify based on his personal knowledge?
Your Honor, may I comment to that?
These are basic questions, Your Honor. The witness is a lawyer, he is competent enough to answer.
Counsel, are you making an objection?
This is a comment, Your Honor. The
Hindi pala
witness
objection,
repeatedly
comment lang.
testified that he was appointed only in February 2026 and that all his testimonies pertaining to the first investigation are based on records, Your Honor. And this is allowed. As a matter of fact, under the rules, entries in official records are considered as prima facie evidence of the contents thereof. And thus, it's exactly the basis of the witness in answering the question of the defense. All his knowledge pertaining to the first investigation are based on records.
Short rejoinder, Your Honor.
No need, counsel. Distinguished lead prosecutor, the counsel for respondent did not object to the line of questioning of the lead
Hindi naman
prosecutor
siya
earlier,
nag-object eh.
based
Nag-commento lang
exactly
si Luis Tro.
on the ground cited by the lead prosecutor. The presiding officer will give sufficient leeway to the counsel for respondent to establish his point. I think you also see what he is trying to establish. That's why he made a continuing objection in relation to it. I'll give you some leeway, counsel, but go to your next topic as soon as you're done with this.
Thank you, Your Honor. So, again, based on this rule, a witness can only testify based on his personal knowledge, correct?
Tama po, pero meron pong mga exceptions sa rule.
Alright, okay. If not based on personal knowledge, then that is hearsay, correct?
But it's not an absolute rule po dahil may exceptions nga po.
Lagi niya ngayon sa absolute yun dahil meron daw exception. Yun na nga mga insan. Ito lang eh. Di ba? Kung titistigo ka sa isang bagay, krimen man yan o pagnanakaw o kahit ano man yan, di ba dapat alam na alam mo? Di ba alam mo yung kwento, yung iba nga, kinukuha ang testigo dahil nakita mo ba si ganito? Nakita mo yung ganyan? Di ba? O, nasaksihan mo mismo, yun ang kinukuha nilang mga testigo. Si Matibag, walang kaalam-alam, dahil hindi pa naman siya NBI director noon, doon siya nag sa mga kwento ng mga kasamahan niya, doon sa mga nag-gather nila, ng mga kwento-kwento. Oh, so ano tawag doon mga insan? Kung nag-gather kayo ng mga kwento-kwento, nag-gather kayo ng mga ebidensyang wala katotohanan, so ano nga tawag doon? Namulot kayo ng mga sinasabi sa chismis. Namulot kayo doon sa mga bagay na hindi pa naman siguradong totoo. At wala ka talagang personal knowledge. Doon yun ang inaano ng depensa. Wala kang personal knowledge doon sa pangyayari o doon sa mga binibintang ninyo. Wala kang alam doon. 'Di ba? Pumasok ka sa NBI, nagkaroon ka ng nalalaman, ibig sabihin, alam mo na lahat. Sigurado ka ba, yung mga pinagsasabi ng mga kasamahan mo, ito totoo, na imbestigahan mo ba ng tama? Hindi nga ko mo lagi sinasabi nyo may exemption. Kung hindi ko mo nasa puder kayo, di ba? Eh, sabihin na natin, hindi, ituloy natin to kasi ito para sa atin eh. Pabor sa atin to eh. Ilaban na natin. Ganun lagi nilang ginagawa mga insan. Mahilig silang magbali ng katotohanan. Basta papabor lang sa kanila. Kung baga sa ano, magnanakaw mga insan, alam mo na, nahuli mo na nga sa aktong nagnakaw, itatanggi pa, hindi kami nagnakaw. Nakita na sila na nagnakaw. Sasabihin, hindi sila nagnakaw. Parang ganun. Yung sinasabi nila mga insan. Hindi nila babaliin at babaliin nila para makalusot lang yung gusto nila. Di ba mga insan? Oh, kitang-kita naman dito sa gustong palabasin ng depensa. Walang talagang personal knowledge itong si Matibag. So wala siyang kredibilidad na maging witness dyan. Dahil yung mga pinagkukunan niya puro chismis lang. Chismoso ka talaga, Matibag ka eh. Patumbok na to. At ulit natin tawain siya.
Okay, now, I'm trying to look for the Filipino term for hearsay. Ano ba yung hearsay sa Tagalog? Sabi-sabi or chismis? Is that a fair translation? What is a fair translation to you of hearsay?
Your Honor, the question of the defense is
Yes,
misleading. He
yeah.
never testified that that is hearsay.
No, I'm not
As a
asking.
matter of fact, he's trying to raise the exception to hearsay.
I'm not asking about the exceptions of hearsay. I'm
Parang nanay
asking,
si ano yun.
a translation of hearsay.
Wait, wait,
Anyway, I'll move on to...
If the witness knows, if he does not know, he may say
Gano'n na
so.
lang, hindi ko alam po yan.
Hindi ko po alam kung anong translation dito sa Tagalog.
Okay, so I'll just use my own translation, chismis. Anyway, at any rate, kung wala kang personal knowledge, chismis lang yun, tama?
Hindi ko naman po naririnig sa korte, ako'y nag-practice din, kahit theatralist sa Tagalog, kahit minsan ko po, hindi ko po narinig ng hearsay ginamit ang salitang chismis.
Alright, I'll move on.
Oo, kasi
the
naman
main
dati mga
material
kaso hindi
that
naman
the
sa
NBI
chismis
used
eh.
in its
Totohanan yun eh.
investigation
Ngayon lang
was the
naman kasi may
video
kasong chismis nang galing
of
sa
the
chismis.
November 23, 2024 press con, correct?
Tama po.
Did you watch that whole video yourself?
Napanood ko po.
The whole video?
Well, yung pong importanteng bagay dyan ang aking tinutukan, pero napanood ko.
Grabe, hindi buong video
Now,
niya
let me
yun
ask
yung
you,
importanteng
you
bagay lang.
confirm that in that virtual press con, VP Sara spoke about a lot of topics.
Tama po.
For
Your
manifestation.
Honor, I wish to manifest that the video which was played is unmarked and spliced video, Your Honor. That is for the record.
The
Ayun eh,
counsel for
hinati-hati
respondent
nyo
just
eh.
mentioned the time span.
Diba? Namili lang kayo ng paniniwalaan nyo, yung iba hindi nyo pinaniwalaan.
Alright. Now,
Diba?
Director Matibag, these
Eh,
are my
buong video yun
questions
eh.
about the
Kung
statements of VP
totoo
Sara
yung
in
part
that
na yun,
video.
di sana totoo din yung iba.
Do you have personal knowledge of
Estado na
the
kayo
theft incident involving Attorney Lopez's cell phone?
Yung
Wala po.
Wala. Do you have personal knowledge on the buffet in the House of Representatives?
Wala po.
nabanggit nga rin
Do
yung
you have personal
pag-aalsat,
knowledge
hindi
on
nga
the
pumayag si VP
communities
Sara
na sila nga
Duterte.
kinakain?
Wala po.
Do you have personal
Yung ginawa
knowledge
nila
on the
yung
person whom VP
pagbabanta
Sara
na may
talked to
kondisyon?
regarding BBM,
Pag nawala ako,
Speaker?
Ah,
po,
eh, nagpasag yung mga yun.
Alright, okay.
Eh, sila lang naman ang talaga gagawa nun eh.
So, now you mentioned that you watched the whole video. My question to you is, did the NBI conduct any separate investigation regarding the various acts of corruption, of alleged acts of corruption of BBM, FL,
Yeah, kasi nakalagay
the
dun
former
yun eh.
Speaker, and the Congressman,
Oo.
as mentioned by VP Sara?
Oo.
Marami pong iniulat sa akin na mag-investigasyon, subalit hindi naman po kasi binanggit do sa video sino ang mga particular na kailangan
Oh,
imbestigahan.
Ibig sabihin talaga, namili
Kaya naman
kayo.
po yung
Namili lang
investigasyon
kayo.
na ginagawa ngayon ng NBI, maaaring tumutukoy na po sa mga tao binabanggit po.
Okay, but as NBI director now, you have the authority to investigate alleged cases of corruption, correct?
Tama po yun.
Right.
No,
In fact,
diba?
you came out in the
Imbestigahan
news
mo ba?
recently stating
Hindi.
that you will investigate
Dahil madadami ang
the
asawa mo.
2019 SEA Games, correct?
Di ba, Matibag?
Tama, correct.
Tinuturo
in
din kasi
this
na yung tingnan
2019
nakatanggap
SEA
ng
Games
maleta eh.
prior to this 2024 press con, correct?
Tama po.
Okay. Do you intend, my next question is this, do you also intend to investigate the alleged corruption involving the unaudited confidential funds of the OP, Office of the President, also mentioned by VP Sara?
Kung meron po mga ebidensyang ilalatag sa amin para amin pong sundan, hindi po magdadalawang isip ang NBI sapagkat ito po ang mandato ng NBI.
Alright, thank you for
Pag-imbestigahan ng mga krimen po, amin pong nakikita.
Alright, thank you for that answer. Now, do you also intend to investigate the alleged corruption involving the former speaker going around the country and giving government funds to people, also mentioned by VP Sara
Ayan
in
na.
that video?
Your Honor, may
Oh, di ba? Hindi na.
may I comment, Your Honor?
Di ba?
What's the comment?
Ministro ka,
We
madadakol ka
are
kasi din.
objecting
Totoo
to
naman
that
yun.
question, Your Honor.
Eh,
as the
bigyan ng
same
mga ayuda eh.
Your Honor, if he knows, he said he watched the whole video, he listened to the statements. There was a statement there.
Witness may answer, if he knows.
Well, kung meron po mga ebidensyang pumapasok tulad ng lahat ng aming ginagawa, we are driven by evidence and the process and the law na dapat pong sundin.
Alright. Now, my next question is,
Kita mo,
your
huli
wife
talaga,
is
ayaw
also a
huli.
member of the House of Representatives.
That is correct po.
And she is Representative Maria.
Your Honor, with all due respect.
This is
Yeah,
cross,
naman.
Your Honor. Maybe given leeway.
Oh, Lustro,
the counsel
tigil mo
to
na yan.
finish the question and then you may make your objection afterwards. Finish your question, counsel for the respondent.
She is Representative Maria Rene Ann Lourdes G. Matibag.
Before
I
the witness
object, Your
answers, what is the objection of the lead prosecutor?
The questions, Your Honor, of the defense with regards to the wife of the witness is totally irrelevant.
Your Honor,
And that should not be allowed.
Your Honor, these are
the,
credibility testing questions, Your Honor,
the-
which is always relevant.
The objection is overruled. It tests the freedom from bias, if any, of the witness regarding his testimony. And the chair will
Nevertheless,
allow
Your
it.
Oo, kaya
Witness
nga
may
may
answer.
gusto ko yung palabasin ng dami ng
There was a
talaga, di ba? Pag hindi pa pabor sa kanila, ayaw namin yan.
Line of questions pertaining to
Di ba?
the
Ganyan
wife
sila.
of the
Oh.
witness, Your Honor.
So
Huli
noted.
na kasi kayo.
Witness may answer.
Opo.
Alright. Now, let me direct your attention to House Resolution number 989. This is also part of the records of this case, entitled Setting Forth the Articles of Impeachment Against Vice President Sara Z. Duterte. Permission to use a pointer, Your Honor. Now, it appears that from this document
Counsel may do so.
that your wife is one of the endorsers of this House resolution. Can you confirm that?
Yes, my name is sir.
It's there. Okay. Now, there's a signature page also. The pages, this document is not numbered, but it appears that it's around page 19. Can you confirm if this is your wife's signature?
I think I have no authority to confirm the signature even if she is my wife.
So you can confirm the signature of your NBI agent, but not your wife.
It appeared to be her signature, but I have not confronted with the document so that I can compare it.
At the end of the day, Your Honor, maybe allow.
With the NBI, it's different. I
Grabe
testified
ka,
earlier that it was presented to me.
Ilan?
And I asked him if he signed it. And I'm familiar to his signature because he's always making submission to my office. So that we save time and it's on record. It's a matter of public notice. Yes, my wife is one of the endorsers of the impeachment.
Kaya tagawin naman din. Ano Tibag? Asawa mo, isa sa mga nag-endorse sa sa impeachment. So may ibig sabihin talaga sila eh. May gusto talaga silang palabasin yan mga insan. Itong mga abogado ni VP Sara Duterte. At malinaw naman talaga yan. Yung mensahe yan. Di ba? Malinaw na malinaw mga insan. Listado naman talaga yan eh. Di ba? Listado na talaga sila kung bakit nandiyan siya, kung bakit asawa niya, isa sa mga nag-endorse doon sa impeachment ni VP Sara Duterte, bakit sa si Luisro, ang dami niyan mga insan. At tama nga kung napapanood nyo dati, yung vlog ni Boss Dada, di ba sabi niya, kung mga kurap daw yung mga Duterte, dati noon pa yan, kasama na yan sa mga sinisigaw ng mga makakaliwang grupo. Bago pa lang kumandidato si former President Digong Duterte. 'Di ba? Sinisigaw na nila yan, pero wala silang sinisigaw na ganun mga insan. Ngayon lang 'di ba? Ngayon lang nila sinasabi yan. Kitang-kita na yan mga insan. At kahit, sabi ko nga dito paulit-ulit kahit na anong gawin nilang paninira kay VP Sara Duterte, mas lalo lang siyang minamahal ng taong bayan. Ang pinapalabas pa nila yung trust ratings daw. Kasi yung trust ratings, trust ano na yan daw, hindi naman daw magiging basihan yan para wala nang para hindi na mabali yung tawag nitong yung public trust na ibinigay kay VP Sara Duterte. 'Di ba? Kayo lang naman ang bumabali yun, kayo lang gumagawa. Yung mga tao gustong-gusto si VP Sara Duterte. Kaya patuloy na tumataas yung ratings. At taliwas na 'to sinasabi ni Matibag, sa isang lugar lang daw 'yan. Di magsorbe ka mag-isa. NBI ka naman, 'di ba? Maglakad-lakad ka diyan. I-live mo yung video mo. Walang putol para walang cut. Para makita ng mga tao. I-live mo na para wala talagang hindi mo talaga makakatit. I-live mo. Tanungin mo yung mga tao kung mahal nila si Sara Duterte. Baka mapahiya ka sa sarili mo, Matibag. 'Di ba? Ginagamit nyo lang kasi yung kapangyarihan nyo, yung pwesto nyo, para gipitin yung mga ordinaryong tao. Kapag ang mga bagay hindi pumapabor sa inyo, pilit nyong pilit nyong tatabunan yan. Dahil ang gusto nyo, ang iiral dito, yung pumapabor lang sa inyo. 'Di ba? Yung mga tao, wag nyo na kasing itulad sa mga dati pa noon na mabilis yung mabilog yung mga isip, na mabilis yung makondisyon yung kaisipan. Iba na ngayon. Marunong nang mag-analisa yung mga tao. 'Di ba? Wag nyong idaan yun sa ira ninyo na lagi nyo sinasabi na mind conditioning lang yan. Pakita natin na ganito sila. Sabayan natin ng mga trolls na magsasabi na ganito siya, ganito ganun. 'Di ba? Mga bayarang vlogger na magpapabango sa atin. Swak na tayo diyan, okay na tayo diyan. 'Di ba? Kung marami kayong mga anti-Duterte vlogger, mas marami naman ang pro-Duterte vlogger. Di hamak na mas marami. At ang mga pro-Duterte vlogger, sobrang matitino yun. Hindi nyo kayang bayaran. Kaya ang ginagawa ng mga anti-Duterte, sisiraan nila yung mga pro-Duterte. Yun ang laman ng topic lagi nila. Lalo na si Baba, paano daw maging tanga? Di ba? Kasi bihasa na daw yung mga DDS doon. Hindi nila alam. Ngayon sa ginagawa nila, yun yung katangahan. Sobrang patangan nyo. Di ba? Ninanakawa na kayong harap-harapan, nakangiti pa kayo at pinagtatanggol nyo pa yung kawatan. Ang lupit nyo mga insan. So yun lang mga insan, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Next video natin, pag-usapan natin yung meeting ni Luis Tro at saka ni Matibag. Pwede ba na yun? Makikipag-meeting yung witness nila sa lead prosecutor. Para ano yun? I-plancha yung script. Issue! Next video yan mga insan. Abangan nyo. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Siyempre, ingat po kayo palagi. Paalam po.